for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, overhead console, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power driver's seat, panoramic roof, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.